What's up, people? What's up, people? I was gonna wait to drop this little strategy out, being that I just dropped a method out, but I wanted one for people who really want a more deeper analysis on trading. So this is gonna be like another group, but this method is from. I recorded a video before, but I didn't give props out to my man Rob Smith. Oh shit. I didn't give a shout out to Rob, man. Yeah, he created this strategy called the Strat. And I actually learned from him his whole course, learned from more other people, but I learned from the creator. But this method I'm gonna teach is based on the way I run it, only how I play it. I'm only gonna give you a quick rundown on the stuff because this is gonna be for my group. But let me go ahead and get to it, man. Let me go ahead and get to it. So yeah, I play it off reversals. It's called the Strat, and I play it off reversal. So this is really like a reversal type of guide. So with candlesticks, we give it three. We basically give it three numbers. We give it, it's either a 1, it's either a 2, or a 3. So a 1 we call the inside bar. An inside bar is basically like that one candle that remains inside of a candle. So like if you look to your left, this candle is a small candle that didn't go up or down. It didn't break the high or the low of the previous candle. So it's technically a 1 because it didn't break either the high or the low. So we call those ones, aka inside bars. And this one, we also call it an actionable signal, meaning we act off, this one candle. Then we got the twos. We got the directional bars. This means like on that previous candle, this candle did break either up or down. And if it breaks up, if it breaks the high of the previous candle, it's called a 2 up. And if it breaks the low of the previous candle, it's called a 2 down. And in the more advanced type of play, we get these called failed 2 ups and failed 2 downs, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's when it do break up, it do break the high of that previous candle, but it comes back down. So we call that a failed 2 up. And we like failed 2 ups because that actually signals a reversal. Because normally when it triggers, because we play off triggers, we're gonna get deeper, it's gonna get a lot better. Trust me, just stick with me. So once it triggers, it should just keep going. Like the play should be in motion. So if it's in motion and then it comes back and fails, we're out. If we did act on it, we out. And second, that signs us that like it's telling us right there, like this a reverse. A reverse is happening. So the same thing with 2 down. If it breaks 2 down and then it goes back inside going for the 2 up, that's a failed 2 down, aka may be reversal for a 2 up coming soon. Now it may not break 2, it may break 2 down or break 2 up and then fail and don't really go for the other end, because if it do, we'll call that a 3, an outside bar, when it breaks the high and the low of the previous candle. So a 3 is basically that big tall bar that just overshadows these other bars. Like it goes up and it goes down. It breaks the high and it breaks the low. And when I say high and low with candles, it's the top of that candle and the low point, the low of the other candle. So if you was ever thinking like, what do he mean by high and low? This is what I'm talking about. And I'm going to get into the charts very soon. So not only do we play off reversals, I play off actionable signals. Like some candlesticks, we call it the hammer and we call it a shooter. And we play off ones. Okay? Because we never play off continuation patterns. You see, say you must have action reversal signals. As a reversal focused trader, these are patterns you will actively seek out for entry. We are never looking for continuation patterns. So a continuation pattern is when these twos, we're never looking for a 2 up, 2 up, two up, or a two down, two down, two down. We're not getting in on those because the play is already in motion. And if you want to get in a motion play, you're going to get your ass smacked. Just simple as that. You play out the reversals because you get more bang for your buck. Where was I? Yeah, so hammers. So hammer is like a typical candle pattern. When you see a hammer, it's not only on downtrends, but we would love to see it on downtrends. So when it's a downtrend, so when you see those two down, two down, two down, two down, and then this little green candle comes out of nowhere that looks like this. This let you know, okay, the two down may be over with now, and we may be looking to head up. And then you're going to see that two down maybe failed, two down going two up. Then you see a two down, two up candle off this bullish hammer. Now we off to the races. See, we look for long entries on the break of a hammer's high. And then shooters. Shooters a little smaller than what they showing on here. But it's the same thing. So normally maybe on when you see them two ups, two ups, two ups, two ups, and then you see this candle trying to go down, but it go up a little more. But it closes red maybe. It could be green. It could be a green shooter. But it indicates you that buyers are out, or they're getting flushed out, and selling is about to happen. So here we go. See, now these is terrible. These are terrible. 2-2 bullets reversals. So this is what we play on. So once we see a two down candle, we playing the low. So we're gonna be looking for puts on the low of a two down candle. No, I'm saying it wrong. I'm so sorry. Because this got me wrong. This got me tripping. So a 2-2 bullets reversal. Let me go to the charts. Let's show you on the charts. You know what I'm saying? There go. It's called Strat Assistance. But I'm gonna show you without that first, so you can just tell right off without just looking. So the 4 hour. So let me see. Right here. Right here. You see this? Well, I just marked that right there. Give me a quick second. This candle right here. This is a two down. What makes this a two down? You see this candle right here? The high of this candle? I'm gonna mark the high of this candle. The high of this candle. And the low of this candle. See that? So back to this candle. This candle right here, it broke the low of this candle, making it a two down. So now it's a two down. This is a two down candle. But then this candle right here breaks the high of this candle, making it a two up. This making it a reversal right here, making it two down, two up. So if I had some more confluence, which we don't know what the hell's going on yet, I'll be getting in right here. Because you get in on the break of this reversal. So you'll get in on the high of this candle going up. So I'm going for calls, and my first take profit would be the top of this candle. And then if it get past this candle, I'll be going for this candle. Then that you see, it went two down, two up, what? Two down again. So it's another reversal. It's another reversal. How is it a reversal? What the hell am I talking about? Look, check it out. Give me a quick second. Let's delete what we just talked about just in case people ain't. This was a two up because it broke this high. Then this is a two down. This is a reversal. Two up, two down. Why is it a two down? Because it broke the low of this green candle. See right there? It went down and it broke. So you'll be getting in for puts. So you'll be getting in for puts here. And where would you take your profits if you was looking to get out? The low of this candle right here. See, the first one was maybe an L because it didn't hit your take profit and put you back out. But then boom, the break of this one hit perfectly. It broke a low here, all the way right here. Let me turn this back on so you don't see I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Where were we at? And look, 2, 1, 2. 2 up, 1 actionable signal. So now we got our actionable signal right here, right? So you see that 1, we got our actionable signal. We like 2 1s. So we got 2, 1. We're gonna draw a line on top of the 1. We're gonna draw a line on the bottom of the 1. Right? 2, 1, and it breaks below. 2. That's reversal. We get in for puts right here. Where I take profits at. I take profits. If it's 2, 1, 2, we want that 2. We want it to meet this 2 right here. That's take profit 1. Then where take profit 2 at? Take profit 2 is right here. It's hitting them. And if it was to keep going, take profit 3. It'd be right there. It's always past price history. Old price history action is what you look to take your profits, or you're looking for exits. Off of 2, 1, 2. It was perfect. That was perfect. That was a nice one. Let's play a 3. Let's see, can we find a 3? Boom, 3, 1, 2. We call that Chicago. This was kind of weak right here. They call it Chicago. Ross Smith was from Illinois. 2, by the way. Okay, we got a 3. What makes this a 3? What makes this a 3 is it took the high of this one and it took the low of this one. You see? So this 3 was once either a 2 up, failed, 2 down, or 2 down, failed, 2 up. But it's a 3. Then we get an actionable signal, 1. So how would we play a 3, 1? We waiting on the break. Then wherever it break, we get it. We go in for it. We go in for it. So this was a failed 2 up. It was a failed 2 up, but we may would have got in. 3, 1, 2. Let's take this off because you might be looking at that still. Let's take that off. So look, we over here. 3, 1, 2. So the actionable signal is the 1. And we got an outside bar. So wherever the 2 breaks off, it was a 3, 1, 2 up, our take profit would be right here at the top of this 3. You at the top of this 3. Oops. That would be take profits on the 2 up. And if it was to go 2 down, I take profit at the bottom of the 3. Look what we got over here. A 2 up, 2 down reversal. What I'm talking about right here. See this 2 up, what makes this a 2 up? Right here, breaks the high of this one, 2 up. Then what makes this a 2 down? Breaks the low of this one, 2 down, all the way down, boom. With the next one, boom. If it was go. But it's a 2 down, failed 2 down. Cause look, it went 2 down, then you see the green outer box? That means it went back up. So I could be looking for a reversal now. I could be looking for it to break. This right here, I'm talking about that. because it's the fail two down. Even though it was definitely a good catch right there, though. You got to get in and get out of this stuff. Because if it go, once it triggers, as soon as it break, you in. Then you catching that move. Then maybe would have continued two down. Boom, you catching some more. You should have been out or taking some profit at this one anyways. You done call from 247 to 214, 33-point move off SPX. You stop playing, get that bread. This stuff is not no joke. This stuff is no joke. Let me get back to the thing. This ain't supposed to be this long. It's just that these were kind of trash. So I think you saw how I was playing those. Action positions. And I told you about the failed two downs and the two ups. But look, critical. Failed two moves and the power of the three. This is a gold map for reversal traders. A failed two move is when the directional bar two attempts to go one way, but is decisively rejected and reverses. Failed two down bar is a bullish reversal. An attempt to go two down is strongly rejected by buyers. If it recovers to break the previous high, it becomes an outside bar three. So we look for a hammer. Look for a hammer or a 1-3 bullish reversal. See, we probably wasn't seeing those because I was on a higher time frame. If I was to drop down to like a 1 hour, 30 minute, we probably can catch some failed two downs and reverses. You know. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and show you, and then I'm going to end this quick little mini move. You got to tap in with me to really get down to this right here. So, I'm pretty sure in this area right here, we going to catch it. We might catch a shooter or something like that, too. All right. Let's see, do we see anything? You see how this stuff, you can catch some money though on the smaller time frame real quick. See this 3-2 down reversal. Boom. 2 down, 2 down, 2 down, 2 up. Break this from 6,150. This the target right here. 180. It kept going. You ain't had to get out this joint. You'd have caught it over there. 100-point move. Like, this stuff ain't no joke. Stuff ain't no joke. Okay, let's see. I forgot what I was looking for. Outside bars and some breaks on the outside bars, I'm thinking. I think. I forgot what I was looking for. But I'm seeing so many other moves, reversal moves. Look at the 3 down, 2 break. Another action, 3-2 reversal. You catching 177. $130, 40-point moves. Like, Jesus Christ. I'm mad. I didn't play none of this shit. Okay, seeing all these moves is really crazy. Here was another perfect reversal. That's why I say don't get in on the 2 ups, 2 ups, 2 ups. You get on the 2 ups, 2 down. You know what I'm saying? Boom, 2 down right here. 2 up, 2 down reversal. It actually was a 2. It wasn't 2 up first, but it went in first and then dropped from what that is. 190 something. I can't see it. This was the pull. So 185. 15. Like, this stuff is real sniper like, boy. This is kind of like a shooter, but it's not because it's still upward momentum. And then this broke and it killed it. Like, man, good bread. Let's go 30 minutes then. Can't see it on the hour. Let's go 30. Yeah, I see the moves. You should be able to see it now. It's ugly over here. We don't gotta look at that. We can just look for something. Find something. To see how the actionable signals do you right. Look at the ones. Look what the ones do. See? 2, 1, 1, 2. Right here. You ain't in yet. You still waiting. Sometimes you gotta be patient. You gotta wait an hour for the move. Sometimes you gotta wait an hour for the move. It ain't nothing wrong with that, man. These 2 30-minute candles, but sometimes you gotta wait. There's nothing wrong with that. You playing right here. Boom. Sometimes you gotta wait. Wait an hour just to eat. 2, 1, 2. I told you once it triggers, it's gonna go. If it's good money. Like, bro, stop playing. Bro, stop playing. 878 all the way to 906. 30 plus points. Alright, man. I just want to show y'all the strat. 2 1 2s, 3 1s 2, 3 2s, 2 2s. Man, get with me and we can really lock in and I can show you because it gets deeper than just what I showed you, man. There's a lot more to it. We got 4 time frame continuity to talk about. Yes. We got TTO to talk about. You know what I'm saying? Triangle day out. We got broad information to talk about. The real support and resistance, because support and resistance is not horizontal. We got the pivot machine gun, let you know how to catch a real momentum. Like, it gets real crazy. I told you about the entries and the exits already. If it goes failed, then we get out. And your exits for take profits is always old price action.